Stay focused on your most relevant data with Microsoft 365 Archive today. You can actively collaborate on all of your SharePoint content. However, it's likely that a significant amount of that data is inactive. While you may need to keep aging data for compliance or company policy, it no longer contributes to daily work. Microsoft 365 Archive provides low-cost, long-term compliant storage for your inactive content, all within SharePoint. Archive entire SharePoint sites at once, or create dedicated sites for inactive files to be archived. When you're ready with Archive's cold storage tier, you can store petabytes of data in a matter of hours and restore it with a click, all while keeping SharePoint search indexes, metadata, and Microsoft 365 compliance and security features intact. Whether active or archived, your data stays within Microsoft 365's trust boundary. Avoiding the need for multiple storage systems, Archive also removes inactive data from Copilot's index. This prevents oversharing and helps Copilot reference only your most recent and relevant information. As with your standard storage tier, Archive keeps the same fundamental discoverability retention policies, sensitivity labels, security, and other purview capabilities, all at up to 75% cost savings on additional SharePoint storage. That's the real benefit of keeping your archive data within SharePoint. Let's see. The savings in practice: site Archive is priced at just 5 cents per gigabyte per month, or 75% less than standard storage at list price. Plus, you only pay for storage when usage exceeds your SharePoint Online license quota. In this example, archiving 200 gigabytes of inactive data reduces the monthly storage bill from $40 to just $10. You can access Microsoft 365 Archive from your SharePoint Admin Center. Select one or more sites archive with one click in the UI, or use PowerShell to manage and view archived sites, all within hours, regardless of size. Reactivation is simple when complete sites automatically return to the active sites page. Now let's see how Site Lifecycle Management policy setup works here. An IT admin sets up automated policies for inactive sites, choosing when and how to notify site owners before archiving. Once a policy runs, they can generate a report for review. Policy integration with Copilot is also now available, allowing Copilot to align with data lifecycle rules for more relevant search and retrieval. And look for partner-built orchestration apps integrated with Microsoft 365 Archive. Putting inactive content on a cold tier is important, but so is removing obsolete older versions. File versioning in NeDrive and SharePoint is already powerful, and we continue to improve it to give you more control. A common challenge: low-value versions consuming storage without enough admin controls or insights. Now you have better ways to manage version history, while keeping essential data easily recoverable. Our enhanced version control gives admins more flexibility. Set automatic version limits based on age and restore probability, or use time-based limits to expire versions after a set period. These settings can be applied at the library site or tenant level. Plus, new version storage reports provide insights to make smarter decisions. With automated trimming, older, less valuable versions are thinned out over time, while key versions are retained. This reduces storage footprint without compromising reasonable recoverability. Store inactive data at a much lower cost and gain greater control over your storage usage with Microsoft 365 Archive. Thank you for watching us.